Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. This is On-Chain Mode, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can copy your TRON TRX USDT address right here on Trust Wallets. Okay, so currently you can see here that if you look at Trust Wallet, there's a whole lot of integrations that have been added on Trust Wallet. Now currently you can trade perpetuals, you can make predictions, you can earn in various ways right here, and they recently added stocks on Trust Wallet. So what you have to do first of all is to update your Trust Wallet app to the latest version. All right, you have to go over to either Play Store or Apple Store and update your Trust Wallet app. And after updating your Trust Wallet app, you can see the various integrations that have been added on Trust Wallet. It's vital that you add your Trust Wallet. So right here, I'll be showing you how you can do all of that, how to copy your Trust Wallet following the best way, how to copy addresses. All right. So right here, you can see this is my TRON wallet. You can see here, this is my TRON network. You can click on it to copy your address. So right here you can see TRX. This is the TRX I'll be copying. You can either decide to click on that receive button to see the address. Right here is my TRX address. You can see the logo right there, TRX. Okay, now this is not the particular one I want to be copying. Now I want to copy USDT TRX network. All right, but in case you want to copy only the TRX coin token, then this is how to go about it. You just head over here. You can either decide to tap on that to tap on this particular picture, this particular image right here, or if you don't want to copy this particular image, just come right here and click on this copy to copy the address. All right, as soon as you hit that copy, you will be able to copy the address. Now in case you want to copy the USDT TRX network address, just go back and then come to where you have this receive. You tap on that receive, go scroll up and tap on that receive. All right, you can see that this receive right here. You click on it. Then as soon as you click on this receive, now you tap on this TRON logo right here. All right, as soon as you tap on this TRON logo right here, just scroll down. You can now see USDT network right here. You can even see the logo at the bottom right there. This logo showing just at the bottom of USDT means that the USDT you are seeing here this particular USDT was built on the TRON TRX network. So I'll just tap on it. You can either decide to use this copy icon at the right corner, or you just tap on it and then you hit that copy button. All right, now this is you just hit that copy button. All right, now you have to know that it's only TRC 20 tokens that you'll be sending right here. Don't do mistake to send another token into this wallet address, or else it will get lost and you are not going to be able to retrieve it again. So always pay attention very well to the network you are copying. So I come back again. Let me show you once again. You navigate that logo, check that logo. You can see this is the TRON address network I want to be copying. You can see the USDT right there, right? I'll just tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, you come right here, right at the bottom where you see this copy. You click on that copy and then you've copied the USDT network TRC 20. All right, this is just a basic way on how you can copy the TRC network TRON token of the USDT right here on Trust Wallet. So if this video was very helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping more insightful videos on crypto, you are going to be notified on time. So see you in the next video, and if you have any question, always leave them at the comment section, and bye for now.